Hello, assalamu alaikum guys. In the previous lecture, as you know that we have gone so far here and we have created this section, you can see, and now we are going to design this section and step by step, and as we go through our course, we will add the div that we have left inside the footer, nav and nav btn, and this comment section as well. The thing we haven't added, we will add it step by step. So first let's focus on the header and the post. So let's add these classes inside the CSS. So copy all the classes, copy it. So go to CSS and scroll down to the center section. There's a center div style here. Here we are going to add our post section. So first comment this out. Here we are going to say post section. Paste your classes here. So we will add dot here. Now it's easy to work with our classes. So let's get started. So first we are going to give this post a background. So we'll add a background color white. So let's refresh the page. Yes, it's working. Now let's add the margin and padding. We're only gonna use margin, and we are going to give margin 20 pixel and 0 pixel. And let's refresh the page. We are going to give the border radius 8 pixels and box shadow 0 pixel, 1 pixel, 2 pixel, hash B7, B7, B7. Save it and refresh the page. You can see the shadow and the border radius is working. Now it's time to add the padding to our div. So let's add the padding. First we are going to give the padding to the post header. We can give the padding top 10 pixel and padding bottom 10 pixel. As you can see, working, padding is working, but we can, instead of using padding top and bottom, we can use padding block. So padding block will work with the top and bottom padding, and both padding is 10 pixel, so we will give 10 pixel. So padding block we can use instead of using padding top and bottom. So we will refresh it. Now you can see is the same. Now we are going to add the class for the post head title. We are going to copy this and we are going to add margin. So here paste that class and give margin left 5 pixel. Let's see, it's working. Yes. Now we are going to add more classes. So here you can see we have the username and timestamp. So copy these two from here and paste it right below the post head title. Make this username a class. We're using dot, and now we are going to say go inside the username class and select anchor tag and give an anchor color H333 and let's scroll up. Text decoration none. Font weight 600. And for the timestamp, you're going to say go inside the timestamp, select the anchor tag and give text decoration none, and font size will be 13 pixel and the color will be B1. Refresh the page. Now see it's working. So that's it for now, and see you in the next lecture.